Welcome to Adobe Photoshop Express, Part 3 of 4 parts, presented by the Fruitland Park Library, narrated by Gloria. Video includes editing images, cropping images. In order to work along with this tutorial, it may be necessary for you to have two open windows side by side. It does not matter if one window is a website and the other is an application or program. The steps of maximizing or restoring down a window is the same for both. We will be using the websites YouTube and Notepad as examples. The opening slides will suggest different methods. Please see slides 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 before continuing with the tutorial. In the upper right corner, there is a Maximize Restore Down button. Restore Down reduces the window to half its size as you see below. Maximize Restore Down button becomes a single square. When the window is maximized, it fills the entire screen and the button is a double square. You can adjust the width and the height by hovering the cursor on the right, left, top, or bottom edge of the window. The cursor will change from the normal arrow to an arrow with points at each end. You can then resize the window. Arrows are shown in red for better visibility. Arrows will be white on the screen. You can move the window to a new location on the screen by placing the cursor near the top, blue arrow, and holding down the left mouse button. Then drag it to a new location and release the mouse button. If you do not have Microsoft Word on your computer and you are using Windows operating system, you can use Notepad to open two windows side by side. Click on the Windows icon in the lower left corner. Scroll down to Windows Accessories and click. A drop-down menu will open. Click on Notepad. Notepad size can be adjusted just like Word using the same steps. You can also save, open, print, copy, paste, and more using Notepad. After adjusting the first window, open a second window and repeat the steps. As you can see, the second window overlapped the first. Place your cursor near the top of the second window. Cursor should be a white arrow. Hold down the left mouse button and drag the second window off of the first window. The two windows will be side by side, allowing you to follow the instructions in the video. However, using this method will require you at times to use the right and bottom scroll sliders. A second method is to use the Minimize button, which will drop a window down to the taskbar. Click on it to open it up. Using this method does require you to switch back and forth between the two windows. Just pause the video, minimize the window, and open up the other window. The last suggestion is to take your laptop or smartphone to a library and use one of the library computers. Open the tutorial on a computer or smartphone and use the other to follow along with the tutorial. Click on the Adobe Photoshop Express icon to open the app. Click on Pictures Library to select a picture. Click the picture and click Open. Or click on Camera to open the picture files of the camera while it's connected to a computer. Select a picture and click Open. Remember, changing pictures is easy. Simply click the blue square with a white arrow at the top left corner and it returns you to the opening screen. Now that we have reviewed the tools, let's edit some pictures. Please select a picture to work with. Click on the Looks tab. Click on the Charm. Click on Charm 4. Use the slider to adjust the color, moving it to the left or right. Before picture. After picture, adjustment slider was moved to the right. Click Undo on the top toolbar to return the picture to its original color. Click on Charm again to close the list. You'll have to scroll upwards. Looks tab. Click on Basic. Click on Invert. Original picture. Use the slider to adjust the color. When you have edited a picture and try to move to another command, this message will be displayed asking if you wish to save, don't save, or cancel the move. If you have kept the picture in its original color, then you will not see this message. Click the blue arrow, click Picture Library or Camera, click on a picture to select it, then click Open. Click Crop tab. The Crop tab option list opens and a white grid appears on the picture. Click and hold the left mouse button down and drag the corners inward to shrink the picture. The selected crop area remains the original color, while the deselected areas turn dark. Click the Save Share button on the toolbar. When it opens, click Save, Share, or Print. After clicking Save Share, select a location to save the picture at. Name the picture and click Save. Please remember that even though we have saved the cropped picture will not be displayed in the work screen area. The work screen will still show the crop pattern. When you open the folder, if you have saved both the original picture and the cropped picture in the same folder, you can view them side by side. Before picture, after picture. Let's crop another picture. To change to another picture, click the blue arrow in the upper left corner and click Picture Library or click Camera. Opening screen. Click on a picture to select it, then click Open. Click Crop. Grid lines appear. Use corners to adjust the crop area and click Save Share button. If you do not like the cropped image, go back and recrop the original image again. This concludes Adobe Photoshop Express Part 3. Thank you for joining us for Part 3. We hope you've enjoyed the tutorial and will be joining us for the remaining Part 4 of Adobe Photoshop Express. If you have any questions or would like a transcript of this video, please contact me at gterry@mylakelibrary.org or call 352-360-6561.